So it's finally happening. After months of leaks, early retailer listings, prototype discussions, and basically the entire internet trying to piece this camera together ahead of launch, DJI is now officially teasing the global debut of the Osmo Pocket 4P in Cannes, France on May 14th. What makes this interesting is how differently DJI is handling the marketing this time around. Instead of focusing on casual creator vibes like previous Pocket launches, the company is pushing a much more cinematic and premium identity here. Even the teaser image looks closer to a compact cinema product than a traditional handheld vlogging camera. Early units have already started showing up through Chinese creators and media outlets ahead of launch, and now all attention is shifting toward the global debut in Cannes, with pre-orders expected to open around the event itself. But DJI is not entering an empty market anymore. Insta360 is suddenly becoming a serious threat in this category. Massive leaks for the rumored Luna Ultra recently surfaced online, revealing an aggressive dual camera setup, Leica branding, and even a detachable system. And honestly, the next few months could turn into one of the most competitive periods we've seen in the compact creator camera space. And if you already watched both our previous Pocket 4 videos, then you probably know most of the major leaks already floating around, so instead of repeating all of that again, let's just quickly go over the biggest upgrades and changes this time around. The biggest talking point right now is the redesigned dual camera system. Multiple reports are pointing toward a dedicated 3x telephoto style camera sitting alongside the familiar 1-inch primary sensor from the standard Pocket 4. If true, that would give the 4P a roughly 70mm equivalent focal length for tighter cinematic shots without relying heavily on digital crop modes. There are also heavy rumors surrounding a possible variable aperture system ranging from f1.7 to f2.8, along with up to 12x hybrid zoom support. But right now, those details still fall into the rumor category, so it's probably better to stay a little cautious until DJI officially confirms everything during launch. What does look far more likely is the overall creator-focused upgrade path. The Pocket 4P is expected to support 10-bit D-Log recording, upgraded ActiveTrack 7.0, and a brighter 2-inch rotating OLED display that could hit around 1000 nits brightness outdoors. Battery life is also rumored to improve with a larger capacity cell for longer shooting sessions, and of course, DJI's signature 3-axis mechanical stabilization system remains one of the biggest reasons people buy these cameras in the first place. But this year, DJI seems far more focused on ecosystem integration as well. Tighter compatibility with their wireless microphone systems and the newer multi-channel Osmo audio setup could make the Pocket 4P feel much more like a complete creator tool rather than just a compact camera. At this point, the biggest question is pricing, because if DJI manages to deliver most of these upgrades without pushing the price too far, the Pocket 4P could easily become one of the most talked about creator cameras of the year. Peace.